Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable auto layout resizing glitches in Figma, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Figma project. Identify the frame or component where you're experiencing auto layout resizing glitches. Select the frame by clicking on it. In the right sidebar, locate the Auto Layout section. Check if the auto layout settings are enabled. If they are enabled, review the spacing between items and padding within items settings. Adjust these settings to create more space between elements if they appear too crowded. Next, look for the resizing options under the auto layout settings. Ensure that the fill container options are turned off if they aren't needed. You can also try setting fixed widths for specific elements to prevent unwanted resizing. If elements are still misbehaving, check for constraints applied to them. Select the problematic element and look for the constraints section in the right sidebar. Set constraints to left and right or top and bottom, depending on your layout needs. This adjustment can help maintain the desired positioning of your elements. Test your adjustments by resizing the parent frame. Observe if the glitches have been resolved. If the issue persists, try ungrouping and then regrouping your elements. Sometimes, a simple regroup can fix layout issues within Figma. Remember to save your work as you go. Once satisfied with your layout adjustments, you can continue working on your design. These steps should help you effectively manage auto layout resizing glitches in Figma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.